In this little tutorial, we'll look at how to replace Blazor's default vertical navigation menu with the old, more traditional horizontal menu. This is a very short video because it's not very complicated. We start with the default Blazor template, and where we want to go is to the main layout.razor file in the Layout folder under Components. The aim is to replace this sidebar nav menu with the more common list item links. Right? So comment that stuff out and add a div that contains unordered list of anchors for our menu items. We'll get to the menu container and menu classes in our CSS file in a moment, but this is what we get so far. Our link items are navigating to our pages. Next, we need to do some formatting in the main layout.razor.css file. First is the menu container, which is just 80% the viewport width and centered. Then there's the actual menu class, which we applied to the unordered list of link items. It has formatting for the list item, the anchor element, and what happens to it when the user hovers over it. Please note, these formats are not pretty, but are intentionally made with high contrast, so you can easily find the properties you want to adjust within the CSS. Let's have a look. As you see, not pretty at all, but it works, and you can use your creative powers to adjust the colors, fonts, and spacing to something 1,000 times more appealing. Thank you for watching our video. For more tutorials on C#, hit subscribe and click the reminder. Give us a like so the video can be visible to more people.